Miss Rivera, how long
Yes.
have you known Mr. De Leon did drugs?
Um, since we met each other.
Okay. And he did drugs and
Mm-hmm.
you knew that and you had two kids by him and it was okay, right?
I'd first like to call the mother for service in the record.
You may.
Ma'am, can you please state your full name?
Marcella Angelina Rivera.
Did you receive a copy of the state's petition in this matter via an email?
Yes.
Do you understand that you have a right to be personally served with that document by a sheriff or a constable at your residence?
Yes.
Do you agree to accept the email document in place of being personally served and to enter your appearance in this case today?
Yes.
Do you know that because you were provided with the pleadings today, you have a right to request a reset for your answer time to pass?
Yes.
Do you agree to waive your answer time and proceed with an order today?
Yes.
Please let the record reflect that Ms. Rivera has waived personal service and entered her appearance.
The record will so reflect.
Your Honor, we're here on a suit affecting the parent-child relationship. This is a contested hearing. The contested issues are visitation, child support, and retroactive child support. If I could state those terms and take testimonies from the parties.
You may.
There are two children before this court, Nathaniel Del Leon and Natalia Del Leon. To offer into evidence what's been marked for identification purpose as State's Exhibit A. That's the acknowledgement of paternity filed with the state's petition.
State's Exhibit A is admitted.
The parties agree to be made joint managing conservators. Parties agree that mom is to determine the children's residence within Dallas or any surrounding counties. As for support, parties agree that Mr. De Leon is to maintain or apply for private medical and dental insurance for the children. The state's requesting that Mr. De Leon pay guideline child support of $1,126 monthly beginning July 1st of 2025. There are no requests for non-disclosure or costs billed to Mr. De Leon. That's the extent of the order. I may call the parties.
You may.
I recall the mother. Ma'am, did you hear I'm sorry. Yeah. Ma'am, did you hear the terms of the order that was stated to the court?
Yes.
Did you understand the terms?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with the terms and believe they're in the best interest of your children?
Yes.
I pass the witness and I call the father.
You may.
Sir, can you please state your full name?
Antonio De Leon.
Did you hear the terms of the order that was stated to the court?
Yes.
Did you understand the terms?
Yes.
Are you in agreement with the terms except for the child support and believe they're in the best interest of your children?
Yes.
I pass the witness and I recall the mother. Ms. Rivera, you're requesting retroactive child support from March 16, 2025 up until today's date, June 23rd of 2025. Is that correct?
Yes.
Have you and Mr. De Leon lived together during that time period?
No.
Did he provide any support during that time period?
None.
Are you requesting a judgment amount be taken against him in the amount of $4,504 as of June 23rd of 2025?
Yes.
And for him to pay that back at $73 monthly beginning July 1st of 2025?
Yes.
Additionally, are you in agreement to Mr. De Leon paying guideline child support of $1,126 monthly beginning July 1st of 2025?
Yes.
As far as visitation, are you requesting that Mr. De Leon's visits be supervised for 4 months?
Yes.
How old are your children?
My son, he's 8. He'll be 9 next week, and my daughter's 5.
Okay. Are you requesting that the visits be supervised and occur from 5 to 10 p.m. Friday and Saturdays,
Yes.
and then 5 to 9 p.m. on Sundays?
Yes.
Are you requesting that the supervision occur at Kids Empire in Mesquite for the 4 months?
Yes.
And are you requesting that the visits be supervised due to Mr. De Leon using illegal substances around the children?
Yes, and also leaving my kids unattended. He will just go to sleep and they just have to fend for themselves through the night.
Okay. Are you also requesting the supervision due to him making threats about harming himself in front of the children?
Yes.
Do you know when this incident occurred?
I don't know the exact date, but I can go back. I might have a video or picture or screenshots of it.
Uh, Perhaps you know like the year or month
Oh, it was around, I believe, December or January.
of 2024?
Yes, beginning of 2025. I don't know when exactly, but that's when it occurred.
Okay. Is there any other reasons why you're requesting the visits be supervised for 4 months?
Um, just him showing my kids drugs and thinking that it's okay, driving unsafely with them, from what my daughter has told me. And I've tried to give him chances, but he continues doing the same thing because they come back and tell me everything.
Okay. I passed the witness and I recall the father.
You may.
Sir, are you currently working?
Yes.
How much do you make an hour?
27. 27, sorry.
I'm sorry?
27.
Um, how many hours a week do you work?
Up to 60 hours.
Okay.
It
And
ranges.
I'm sorry?
It ranges.
Okay. You understand that the state has information regarding your wages?
Yes.
And with that, you understand that the state's requesting that you pay guideline child support of $1,126 monthly beginning July 1st of 2025.
Yes, ma'am.
However, you're requesting to pay $900 monthly instead, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And why are you requesting to pay a lower amount?
I will be already taking cover the health and the dentist insurance, which already it's a pretty high amount, and with the cost of everything right now, I'll be pretty tight with money.
Is there any other reasons?
No.
Okay. Um, as far as the retroactive retroactive support, you understand that Ms. Rivera is requesting retroactive from March 16 of 2025 up until today's date, June 23rd of 2025. Is that correct?
Yes.
And you understand she's requesting an amount of $4,504.
Yes.
However, you're not in agreement to that amount. Is that correct?
Correct.
You're requesting that you pay no retroactive child support. Is that right?
Yes.
And
Correct.
why is that?
Because I've always been there for my kids. I've always put my kids first, and this is the reason why I work so much to be able to provide for them. And whenever these things did happen with their mother, I try to be there. I try to communicate, but communication was just never there. When I've been trying to reach out, I've been trying to help out, but it was never it was never wanted.
Okay. So is your testimony that during that time period that she's requesting the retro, um, did you provide any support or did you provide
No, I didn't.
anything? Okay. As far as the visitation, you're requesting that your visits with your children be standard visits, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you've heard Ms. Rivera's testimony. Have you used any illegal substances around your children?
Um, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. There been in the past, but as in the time that this situation happened with their mother, I've tried to focus on myself, worked on myself, try to become a better person and a better father. Which I mean, these things that I've been going on, I haven't been able to see them for quite some time. I've been struggling, and like I said, my kids mean the world to me, and this has really impacted me just mentally, just not being able to see them. Out of these 3 months, I've only seen them maybe 3 times. I would try to reach out, try to get a call from them, I'll
I'm
text
gonna set Your Honor
messages.
to non-responsive.
Um, objection sustained. Mr. De Leon, so you did use, I don't,
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not asking you did you use period, but you use drugs in front of the kids?
Not in front, but it'll be it'll be in like outside.
Okay, so but it was when they were in your care?
Not whenever my care.
Whose care were
Whenever we
they?
were together.
Oh, when y'all were together. Okay. All right. You may continue, Miss Wilson.
Okay. And sir, have you made any threats to harm yourself in front of the children?
That I recall, not in front of the children. I've had conflicts with their mom, and I'm pretty sure I have mentioned something to that effect to her, but I said in front of the kids, I don't recall.
Okay. And the other allegations regarding you driving unsafely with the children, um, uh, is that true?
I don't believe so. I mean, I don't have in no luxury car or anything to be going fast or recklessly. So no, I haven't.
Okay. Your Honor, I passed the witness and I asked for a ruling regarding the child support, retroactive support and visitation.
Miss Rivera, how long
Yes.
have you known Mr. De Leon did drugs?
Um, since we met each other.
Okay. And he did drugs and
Hmm.
you knew that and you had two kids by him and it was okay, right?
Yeah, but he never did it in front of them, and then and
Well, he just testified that he doesn't do it in front of them now.
I do have picture proof of it and video proof of it. If I don't know how I could send that to you guys. Um, and also my kids told me consistently, like my daughter just came from being with him last weekend, and she came and she told me, "Mommy, I saw Daddy smoking at the park." So I was just like, okay,
He could have been smoking cigarettes, Miss Rivera. Just because she saw him smoking doesn't mean he was doing drugs.
um
Never mind, Mr. De Leon.
yes, you're right, but she knows the smell of it because
How
he
did
did it
she know
so
that? Tell me why she knows that at 8.
because he showed her. She can bluntly tell you that he's told her, look at
Or
this.
did he do that when y'all were living together and it was okay?
Yeah, and that would be an argument. This is why we fought a lot, and
Okay.
some violence came about because I would
Well, I'll
disagree
tell
with
you
him
what I'm
doing
gonna
that.
do. This is what I'm gonna do. Mr.
Mhm.
De Leon, you may not uh indulge in any illegal substances or alcohol 12 hours prior to getting the children or during any periods of possession of the children. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
As
So
well, if just to clarify this, because I knew this is gonna be a topic of discussion, and like I said, I've been working on myself. I really have. I want to
Mr.
become a
De-
better
we don't,
person. I can have
Mr.
a
De Leon,
test.
you don't need to tell me anything else. Yeah, I know you're willing to take a test. That's fine. I'm going to just put an injunction in place that says you are not to do any illegal substances 12 hours prior to. Not only illegal substances, you're not to drink alcohol 12 hours prior to uh visiting with your children or during any periods of possession, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you will have a standard visitation schedule. You will maintain private health and dental insurance through your employer. Child support will be $1,126 per month. Retroactive child support will be $4,504 a month. And it'll be, it'll be a judgment for $4,504, and you will pay that judgment at the rate of $73 per month. You will pay court costs as billed. All start dates will be July 1st, 2025. Okay? Is there anything further, Ms. Wilson? Did I leave anything out?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, does anyone have any questions? Yes, sir?
So, like I mentioned, I haven't seen them in a long time, and it's been draining me, and I miss my kids. So when would be the times
Hold
and all
on.
that
I'm getting ready
being
to tell
set?
you. Getting ready to tell you. Hold on.
Because my son Nathan's birthday is Sunday, and I would love to
Well,
spend
you
his
you get to
birthday.
see him on Sunday because it's his birthday, and the order provides for you to see him on Sunday. That's the first, second, third. It's not your weekend this weekend, but you do get to see him on Sunday for a couple of hours because it's his birthday. It'll all be in the order that they send you. But you get to see the children every first, third, and fifth weekends of the month from 6 p.m. Friday to 6 p.m. Sunday. There are also provisions for all major holidays, Mother's Day and Father's Day, the children's birthday. Anything they thought y'all might argue over, they put in the schedule. What I like to tell people, as long as the two of you can agree on how you're going to see the children, you don't have to follow the schedule. If you guys can't agree, then you must follow the schedule. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, if you don't agree with my ruling, if you think it's unfair or you just don't like it, you have 3 days to appeal, 30 days to file a motion for new trial. This is out of the 256th District Court. That's Judge Sandra Street. She might have a different opinion of mine. Now that I've given you that information, does anyone have any questions?
I had one more question, sorry. Um, so I was planning on going to Mexico in a month or so. So I needed help with getting I can get the passports. I just need a sign off on the passports for my two kids.
So now that I've made my ruling, we're done taking testimony and putting things in the order. That's something you should have discussed in the back, or you should have brought up before I made my ruling. Okay?
Okay. Mhm.
So what I would tell you is the two of you need to work together to get their passports because you are going to need his signature. If that doesn't work, you're going to have to petition the court again. Okay?
Okay.
All
Thank you.
right. All right. Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
None.
All right, then thank you both for appearing here today. Good luck to both of you, and you are both free to go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.